I'ma say, why you do this to me? Did you deserve this? Because I was a smart girl. I was a second grade. You that was going to happen to me. Just so lonely. I have a brother, I have another brother, and my other brother died when he was a baby. We had to bury my puppy, but so lonely. Oh, why did this happen to me? To me? Why this happen to me? Said cry, 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 cry. Never happened, never happened. Now the waiting got so dreadful. It was sweet and be so bad. They almost had a girlfriend, but it hurt. The last one was blocked. His name, he was Gray. Down, but he's gone.